Let me show you how to turn a simple cube into a string-like cube. Press Shift-A and add a cube. Go to Edit Mode, right-click, choose Subdivide, and increase the subdivision level. In the Modifiers tab, add a Displace Modifier. In the Texture section, create a new texture, then set the type to Clouds. Adjust the strength to control the displacement effect. Apply the Displace Modifier. Go to Edit Mode, select all edges, press Delete, and choose only faces. Select the shape, right-click, and choose Convert to Curve. In the Geometry tab, increase the bevel depth to add thickness. Finally, add a Subdivision Surface Modifier for a smoother result. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.